Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for another episode of Yummy Cooking. Yes, so today we'll be making some fried rice, very basic fried rice that you can easily put together without stressing yourself out. And I'll be enjoying this with my chicken vegetable stir fry, so be sure to check that out as well. So without wasting much of your time, we'll go ahead and jump right into this recipe. So I'll go ahead and introduce my ingredients to you guys. Right here I have my spring onions, and I have my regular white chopped onions as well, like one large. I'll be using 4 eggs. You can use any amount of egg you want, you need, depending on the quantity of the rice you're making. And here is my white rice, parboiled rice. So I didn't have enough time to do this overnight, so I just boiled this rice not long ago. I'll be adding some black pepper and some salt to taste. And in this little bowl, I'll go ahead and mix up my soy sauce that I'll be using for this fried rice. So first I have my soy sauce. This is like a traditional soy sauce, and I'll be adding some dark soy sauce, and I'll be adding some oyster sauce. So you can use any kind of sauce of your choice, so it doesn't have to be the exact sauce soy sauce that I'm using. You can use any favorite soy sauce of yours. And to that, I'll go ahead and dilute that up with some chicken stock and mix that up very well, and I will set that aside to be used at the right time. So in my skillet pan, I'll go ahead and add some vegetable oil. So use any vegetable oil of your choice. So I'll go ahead and add the 4 eggs. I already cracked them. Go ahead and add that up. And I will stir that up until it looks like a scrambled egg. Just like that. I'll add some salt to taste. And I'll also add some black pepper. I love black pepper. They are not really that spicy, so I can add as much as I want. So you can be generous with this as much as you want, and I will set that aside. So here, as you can see, I have my wok. It's very steaming hot right now. So I added some vegetable oil and make sure that I spread that up so they don't stick at all. So I'll be adding, so this is like a twist, you know, this is optional, but believe me, if you give this a try, you will love it. So to that pan, I added my vegetable oil, and I added the onions that I showed you guys earlier. I added that up. So to that, I'll be adding some ground ginger. If you have the fresh one, that's fine. If you don't, you can use the one that I'm using right now. So I'll go ahead and add about half a teaspoon of that. And I was adding some garlic powder. So it looks as if it's burnt, but it's not, just because of the powders that I'm adding. So I added a little bit of the garlic powder because it wasn't coming out, so I had to like shake it up a little more. So I added some black pepper as well. So believe me, when you fry these things up and then add your white rice, this gives your fried rice, like, it takes it to a different level. Believe me guys, if you haven't tried doing this little extra step, just go ahead and give it a try. Before you judge me, give it a try guys. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscription button and turn the notification bell on, and give this video a thumbs up guys. So I added my soy sauce mixture that I already showed you guys earlier. So I went ahead and add that up, and once it's well combined like it is right now, it's pretty much combined very well, I think, to the best of my knowledge. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and return my egg, the egg that I already fried before. I'll go ahead and return that in there, and I'll give this another quick stir. If you feel like adding anything more, this is the right time to do that. If you have vegetables like carrots, green peas, or even bean sprouts, this is the right time. You can go ahead and add that. But like I said, this is very basic. So I'm making a very basic Chinese fried rice, so I don't need to add any of that. So I'll go ahead and try my rice to see if I need any more stuff. So after trying it, I'm satisfied with the taste. It tastes good, it tastes amazing. But if you give your own a try, a taste, and you feel like you need more soy sauce or you need more pepper, you need to add salt, whatever you need to add, go ahead and do that. So I went ahead and garnished my rice with my green onions, which is also known as spring onions. So I just pour a little bit of that over that and give that another stir, and we are done. The rice is good to go, as simple as apple pie. Yes, so I'll go ahead and dish some out for myself, of course. So look at that, looking so nice, right? Yes, this is very simple and easy rice to put together. So we are done. Time to go ahead and enjoy this delicious, quick and easy recipe. And here is I have the chicken vegetable stir fry that I just did a couple of minutes ago. Yes, so I'll be posting this up as well pretty soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, go ahead and click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so you know when I post this delicious, good looking chicken vegetable stir fry. Look at that, looks so amazing and tastes so great. So guys, this is so mouth-watering. Look at that in a very closer look. I hope you saw that. So guys, thank you all for watching this episode, this cooking today. I hope you guys had a good time spending your time with me in the kitchen, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed and stay safe. Alright guys, bye. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.